Alright, let's make a cinnamon hibiscus mezcal margarita. I cold infused dried hibiscus flower into water and sugar overnight. This way, there's absolutely no bitterness. Add to that freshly squeezed lime juice, it's a good finger workout if you do it by hand. And then a few drops of orange bitters for complexity. Triple sec. And mezcal. Last, but of course not least, a cinnamon stick and a pinch of salt. Load the shaker up with ice. And give it a good shake. Adding the whole stick to the shaker infuses the drink with a subtle kiss of cinnamon throughout. I always add a pinch of salt to my margaritas for balance, especially because we're going to be rimming this with cinnamon and sugar. I rub the rim with lime and then give it a third dip into that cinnamon sugar mixture. We add some fresh ice to the glass. And then pour in our cinnamon hibiscus mezcal margarita. I use the shaken cinnamon stick as a garnish, and voila. Time to enjoy.